How to edit Wix website after publishing. So, for example, let's try to publish it first. So, once you have published your site, you are still free to edit it according to your liking. So, as you can see, even though I have published it, I can still do some things like change the fonts, change what it contains, add or remove some things, or edit and customize it according to my liking. So if you actually close this Wix editor, you can head right here to your dashboard, then click onto this edit site option that we can see right there in order to successfully edit your site in order to go back to this part. We can head over and then change up some few things according to our liking, but do take note that they are still on autosave but is not reflected yet onto the naked eye of the visitor. So once you're done with everything, just head over and click on publish in order to publish the changes. So that's how you edit Wix website after publishing. Hope we helped.